Welcome to wozz, and in this episode we have got a new project. We are going to build a lovely camper van out of a VW T4 transporter. It's a 1999 model. Bought it off an ex-trials rider. He had it for 12 years and basically it's kind of knackered. It's rotten basically from the first sort of half a foot up. The van is completely rotten. It looks really good in these pictures. The first pictures you see where the van's all white, that is the day that I got it and brought it home. Like I say, it looks in really good nick, but believe you me, the first sort of 6 inches from the bottom of the van up, all the arches and the sills, everything is rotten underneath, and I mean rotten. There is not a thing there. So I'm going to talk you through this one. A little bit different. A lot of you, my subscribers on YouTube, are used to me putting out trials bike videos because we do trials, restorations, etc. So this is a bit of a side project that I'm doing alongside of the trials bikes that I restore on the channel. Thought it might be of interest to some people, so I'll be converting this into a living camper van with obviously access for me to run trials bikes in the back. So without further ado, let's get cracking on with it and let's have a look at it. Here's the secret. That's me paint, and that's me paint gun. Right guys, cheers for watching. I'm absolutely knackered. That what you don't see on the video is there's like 3, 4, 5 hours of me literally going down around the van, sanding everything, wet and drying everything, trying to get the paint as clean as possible so that the fresh paint goes onto it. Yeah, so paintbrush, you're going to see brush marks in it. It's like an old school coach painting technique that I've been trying to learn. So it's a question of just getting the paint on as thin as possible, and you keep wiping it to stop the drips, and you use good quality brush so it doesn't get as many brush marks in it. It actually sets and dries really well, and because it's a gloss paint, so it's a metal paint. It's a bit like Hammerite, but Hammerite's absolute garbage. So this is Johnston's. I went down to the shop and they made it up for me in the colour that I wanted. It's a wood and metal paint, really good stuff. I'm going to give it 3 coats. I've only done I think 1 coat, and the tailgates had 2 coats, so I'm going to get 3 coats on. We have to wet and dry sand each coat so that we can apply the next coat so it goes thicker and thicker. And then what I'm going to do then is I'm going to cut it back with a polishing compound, like a grit compound. I'm going to cut the paint back with a buffer, and that'll give it its nice shine, and hopefully it'll take out all any imperfections. There's things like little flies and crap like that keep sticking to it because the paint smells. I don't know, it must be like flipping vodka or cocaine or something, the smell of that paint to flies. I don't know, they just seem to flipping go to it. So it's the first time I've done this. I've never ever done this before. I've always spray painted. Spray painting is a lot harder work than what I'm doing, so we'll have a look. I'll crack on with it. I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully we'll get all the paint on, get it cut, get it all polished and nice, and we can see what the end result is. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for watching. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Way in a bit.